Hey Adam here with a simple and fast review of the TEROL 31-inch round coffee table. We're going to open it up, put it together, show you what it looks like, and let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
So when you get it out of the box, you'll find a couple pieces like this for each side there, and then of course your hardware, your instructions, and then two bases for the table. So we'll go ahead and assemble it. All right, so a few things to note. First and foremost, I want to point out I'm showing you an extra screwdriver because I used it. The screwdriver that comes with this makes it extremely difficult to kind of get these little screws into the base. I know I fast forwarded through the installation process or the assembly process, but you have to screw those in from the bottom, if you will, and you do it when the table's inverted, and holding this piece in place while trying to screw those little things in with that screwdriver is extremely difficult, and I just couldn't do it, so I had to switch and grab a different screwdriver. Everything else was pretty easy. Please note that this does come with little feet to kind of adjust so that you can spin these around. I'm on a wobbly surface area right now, kind of trying to show you that. And all you would do is just kind of extend this foot. Comes with 4 of them to balance it out. Otherwise, it's a great looking table. There are additional parts. There'll be one of each kind of bolt and screw, so just be aware of that. But overall, this is a great looking table, and hopefully this review helps. Definitely worth buying. Thanks for watching.